Hey everyone, Nick Dearburtis here teaching you financial modeling. And today we're going to be solving the lab exercise on reading and writing to Excel files using Pandas. This is part of our lecture series on combining Excel and Python. So we covered all the Pandas material, and then you were tasked with uh, two different labs that are required, one optional lab on this material. And so the first one asks you to take this Microsoft Financials spreadsheet, read in the income statement sheet, and write that into a new workbook, mydata.xlsx, with again the sheet name income statement. So I have a fresh Jupyter notebook here. I have the msft financials.xls in the same folder. And so now I can import pandas as PD. I can do read Excel in order to pull that Excel workbook in, and I'm going to give it the msft financials.xls. There's no X on the end, it's the old format. And for the sheet, I'm going to grab income statement. And I just want to look at that data frame. It does indeed seem to have pulled an income statement. And so now I want to write that back out to Excel with to Excel. And what was I supposed to call it? My data.xlsx. So my data xlsx, and the sheet name is again going to be income statement. Okay. And now we should have my data now outputted to an Excel workbook, and you can see it showing up there. So that's the level 1 exercise. And now for level 2, we're going to output to 5 separate workbooks named my data 1, my data 2, and so on without rewriting the to Excel command. So this can be accomplished simply with a for loop. So for I in range, we want 5 of them. We can make the name is going to be my data. Did it say start from 1? Yeah, start from 1. So it's going to be my data I plus 1 dot xlxx. And then we can do df.toExcel, the name. And again, we're going to use the same sheet name. So we run that. And now we see we have all these different my data workbooks. So that worked appropriately. And level 3 is the advanced exercise. So this is not a required exercise. Um, but here we're trying to output to 5 different sheets in the same workbook. Income statement 1, income statement 2, again without writing the to Excel command multiple times. So we have to use this Excel writer in order to do this. So we can do with pd.excelwriter. This can go to mydata.xlsx as writer. Then on the writer, or df.toExcel on the writer, and give it the sheet name, which here we're going to want to do another for loop. So for I in range 5, do a similar thing with the name, but now it's going to be for the income statement. And sheet name equals name. And now we should have all of that in the resulting workbook. So my data Uh, we should now have, yep, income statement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's all there. So that covers the lab exercises for reading and writing data from and to Excel with Pandas. So thanks for listening and see you next time.